I'm about to show you my guest bedroom. I have a $300 budget to turn it into the guest bedroom of my dreams. It's chaos in there. I can't believe I'm showing you this, but here goes. This is basically a room full of knickknacks and stuff that I was going to do something with it, but then I forgot. I started with this rack of my son's outgrown clothes. I'm putting them in a box and taking them to Kid to Kid, which is a place here in Texas where you can buy or sell used clothes. As I was cleaning and putting things away, I did an inventory of things I could use for this project. Of course, I used Pinterest to get all the ideas and inspiration for this project. I used the wall measurements to make the design and the list of things I needed to go shopping. The one on the left is the one that I use for the outer frame and the one on the right for the inner frame. An employee helped me cut the wood, but they don't do the 45-degree angles, so you can do them yourself in this station, which I did. And I also took home a saw kit. I installed the frames with tape first. After everything was in place, I secured them with just a hammer and nails. Then I sealed all the edges with caulking. I used this box sanding kit to smooth everything before painting. I wanted to keep this room the same color it had, so we just went over the paint, and I also did some touch-ups around the room. I also have a video on how I turned this canvas from trash into modern texture art. Check it out. I love how this bedroom turned out. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you on the next video.